I'm going to show you 11 new Tesla features that you need to know. So the first feature is that you can replace the horn sound whenever the car is telling you it's locked with your own random sound. So like a screaming goat. Or a round of applause. Or a random fart. And you can enable this by going to your toy box. So from your toy box, we want to go to boom box, and right here you want to enable lock sound. And from here you can see all of the different sounds that you have, from like a chirp all the way down to where the USB, you can upload your own sound into the car. So with your Tesla, you don't get the traditional lights on your mirror or a light over here whenever someone is driving in your blind spot. However, now you do have blind spot monitoring on your Tesla that will put a red shade over on the video whenever you're attempting to get over. To enable this, from the control menu, we're going to come down here to Autopilot, and from Autopilot you have blind spot camera, and also it will give you a chime as well. So you just want to make sure that both of those are enabled, and that way you can take advantage of that feature. And you can set Autopilot to start when you pull down the right stop once rather than twice like before. And to choose this setting, you're going to go to controls with the car menu, and from controls we're going to come down here to Autopilot, and here you have Autopilot activation. You have single pull or double pull. So double pull is like before, where you have to come over here and go 1, 2, and single pull you just do it one time. But just be aware, if you decide to go with the single pull option, that you'll bypass traffic aware cruise control. However, whenever you are in Autopilot anyway, it is already on traffic aware cruise control. Anyone that you set up with your phone key can also see the location of your car. So I have my phone here, and I'm about to pull up my live location. If you look right here, you're going to see an icon that comes up. Now it's that little white icon. Anytime that someone is trying to see your live location, that icon will appear on your screen. But what if you don't want everyone to know your location? What if you want to turn it off? This is how you can do that. You want to come over here to the safety menu, and from the safety you're going to scroll down, and you have something here that says allow mobile access. If you want to turn that off, you just type in your Tesla account information, go and hit enter, then it will turn off the mobile access. And also, Tesla does not track your location, and you can read more about that at tesla.com/privacy. Now, this feature just got added. Navigation will now include symbols along your route to show speed cameras, stop signs, and also traffic lights. In order to see this information in your Tesla, you want to turn it on. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here where it says navigation, and from here we're going to turn on, or should I say enable online routing. This next feature is good news for all of the Apple users out there. Your Tesla now can link up with your Apple Podcast. So in order to enable your Apple Podcast, we're going to come down here. We're going to find the Apple Podcast icon. We're going to click it, and now we're going to take our iPhone here, and from here we're just going to scan the code. And once we do that, we're just going to open up the file, and we are now just going to link our iTunes account with the car. We're going to allow access to Tesla, and now it is signing in. Now my podcast account is now on the Tesla. And the trip planning feature on your Tesla will make your traveling so much easier. So to use the trip planner, simply go to the location section on your Tesla app. And from there, all you're going to do is tap on navigate. And also you can add in your destination, but not only that, you can add in stops along the way. You can reroute to different places if you want to go like sightseeing, if you're taking a road trip. And the coolest thing is, not only can you do it on your app, you can send that information right from your phone directly to your car. So that way you don't have to transfer information from your phone and put it to your car. You have even more view footage on your Sentry cameras. Before, you only had the traditional 4 blocks like you have now, but now they went back and added on your pillar cameras. So I can come on this side, And let me run over here real quick, and you can see I'm in the pillars. So we are really looking at this camera right here. Before, that wasn't on your Sentry. And the same thing applies on the other side. So now you have 7 cameras that you have access to, and of course the one that's in the inside of the cabin as well. That's what makes it 7. Now, the high fidelity park assist is a big feature that's coming to Teslas. This feature provides a 3D reconstruction of the vehicle surrounding while parking, but so far the high fidelity park assist is only available to Teslas that are exclusively using Tesla Vision. Meaning, if your car has sensors on it right now, you don't have this. But fortunately, there are plans underway to bring this to all Teslas, even the ones that's operating with the sensors. And if you ever get in an accident and your airbags deploy on your car, your Tesla has a feature that will automatically dial 911 for you. But if something happened and you really don't need to dial 911, a countdown timer will come up on the screen and you can cancel that out. But you will need mobile access because it is dialing 911 through whatever phone is connected. Did you know that you can control your Tesla through your phone? And I'm not talking about going on the Tesla app. You can actually do it through Siri. So I'm going to do it through my Siri. Hey, blow the horn on my Tesla. Yes. And there you go. And there are so many things that you can do using Siri. And I show you all of that in the top video right over there. Check out the other video, all things related to your Tesla and your money. And I will see you in the next video.